Hello student, today we will do question number 4 and 5 from exercise 5.3 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. See, question number 4. How many terms of a p this must be taken to give a sum of 636? Means n we have to find. A is equal to 9, D is equal to 8, equals 17 minus 9, it will subtract 8, and Sn is equal to 636. So we will use formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Using this formula, it will put value Sn is equal to 636 is equal to n we have to find 2a is equal to 9 into 2 into 9 means 18 plus n minus 1 into t is 8. This will come this side, multiply, so this is equal to n into 18 plus 18 minus 8, 1272 is equal to n. This will be 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8n. This is, if we multiply this, 1272 is equal to 10n plus 8n square. This, if we will divide by 2 both sides, 636 is equal to 5n plus 4n square. And this is 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now we will split middle term. So middle term, if we will split, then we will get 4n square minus 48n plus 53 minus 636. You must be knowing how to split middle term. So let's see, if you will take common here, 4n, take common n minus 12 plus 53, it will take common n minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we will take common n minus 12, we will do 4n plus 53. equal to 0. So n here we will get 12, and from here we will get minus 53 by 4. So this is not, n cannot be in negative number, so this is not acceptable. This will be 12 will be the answer. Now see question number 5. Question number 5 is the first term of AP is means A equal to 5. Last term is means AN equal to 45, and the sum is 400 means SN equal to 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. We have to find n and common difference. See. Yeah, AN formula, AN is 45. Using this formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is equal to 45 is equal to A is equal to 5 plus N minus 1 into D. And this will come this side, subtract 45 minus 5 is equal to 40, means N minus 1 into D is equal to 40. This is 1. Now Sn is given 400. So we will use this formula n by 2, A plus L. So using this formula, Sn is given 400 equal to n by 2. A is given 5, L is L is L is equal to An, means that 45 is equal to then n by 2 into 50 is equal to, this will cut 25, means 25n. So n is equal to then 400 divided by 25. One 6 means 16. N is equal to 16. Now we'll put value of n in 1. Putting value of n in 1, we will get n minus 1. N in 1 we will put in this equation. In this equation, if we put value, so 16 minus 1, 15. 15 d is equal to 40. So D is equal to then 40 by 15. 5, 8, 5, 3. Means 8 by 3. This is answer. 8 by 3. This is common difference. This is common difference. And n is here we have got 16. This is, so these two are answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.